Welcome guys back to another video. Today we are going to be going over 2.8 working with a real data set. Let's begin. Okay, so 2.8 code practice question 1. Write a program that takes 3 numbers as input and prints the largest. So this is pretty simple. You would just use the function max. So you enter 3 variables as integer inputs, and then you put print max, then the 3 variables in commas, and it would print out the max variable, which has the largest value. So let's go to question 2. Okay, question 2. This is a real data set over a seal, and the seal's coordinates over time. So it asks, write a program that finds the farthest north, west, south, and east the seal went, and there should be 2 inputs for latitude and longitude values, and yeah, that's it. So you have the 2 values where you input, and then you have to put float because they're decimals, the longitudinal and what's it called? Latitude coordinates. So since you're trying to find the minimums for B, C, and you need to find the max for A and D. And the reason is because the more you're trying to find the furthest north and the furthest west, south, and east. So as you can see in the print commands, you put a string just to make it look nice and organized. Then you put max, then your variables. This one is to find like north and so on. I mistakenly said A equals max and B equals min, and I just put this here for reference. Like that's why I like put it out of the code. As you can see with these little 3 apostrophes, it's not in the code. This was just to help me to figure it out where which one's north, which one's east, and so on. So yeah. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys in the next video.